Hello everyone, welcome back to English Talk Time. I'm really happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, good to see you again. Hey Alex, how are you today?
I'm okay, but honestly, I feel a bit like a machine today.
A machine? Why do you feel that way?
Because my day feels exactly the same every single day. Wake up, eat, work, sleep, repeat.
I understand. That routine feeling can be really boring sometimes.
Exactly. Same alarm, same breakfast, same road, same people.
That's perfect for today's topic, daily routine, but in a better way.
Better way? Waking up early is not exciting.
Maybe not, but small changes can make a big difference. So tell me, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
My alarm rings at 6:30 and it's very annoying.
Do you get up immediately?
No, I stay in bed and scroll my phone for 20-30 minutes.
Wow, what do you watch?
Social media, news, but it just stresses me out.
Exactly. Your brain starts working too fast before your body wakes up.
Then suddenly I panic because I'm late and I rush everything.
That sounds stressful. Do you enjoy breakfast?
Not really, just toast while putting on shoes.
First change, no phone in the morning.
No phone? Then what do I do?
Sit quietly, look outside, or listen to sounds around you.
I live in a city. I hear cars, not birds.
Still better than stress.
Maybe I can actually enjoy my food.
Exactly. That's a small win. How do you go to work?
I take the bus. It's usually very crowded. Everyone is looking at their phones.
And when you arrive at work?
I already feel a bit tired. I just sit and start working nonstop.
Do you take breaks during the day?
I have lunch at my desk while working.
That's not a real break. Your brain is still working.
I know, but I have too much work.
Try this. Take 15-20 minutes and walk outside.
You think that helps?
Yes. Fresh air can reset your brain.
There's a small park near my office.
Perfect. Eat your lunch there tomorrow.
Park lunch. Sounds really nice. If you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment routine if you're still listening. So what about the afternoon?
That's the hardest time. Around 3 p.m., I feel very sleepy.
That's very common. What do you usually do?
I drink coffee. A lot of coffee.
Try drinking water instead and do some stretching. Stretching? Just simple movements. Stand up, stretch your arms, move your neck.
I might look strange, but I'll try.
What do you do after work?
I go home, sit on the sofa, watch TV, and eat dinner.
That sounds like passive time.
Yes, it feels like I'm just waiting for the next day.
Try doing something small but meaningful.
Like what?
Read a book, cook something, or listen to English.
Only for a short time?
Yes, even 15 minutes is enough. We always wait for weekends.
Yes, I always wait for Saturday.
But every day matters. All days are real life.
That's true. I never thought like that.
Small changes can make ordinary days special.
My new plan, no phone, enjoy breakfast, park lunch, stretching, and 15 minutes of learning.
That sounds amazing.
And if I fail sometimes?
That's okay. We are human, not machines.
If I have a bad morning, I can still have a good afternoon.
Exactly.
I feel more motivated now.
That's great to hear.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
What small change will you make today?
Have a wonderful non-robot day.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing.